Here's an unusual one. It's cool outside, as you can see, 68 degrees. We're in a shop. Look at that high side pressure. Now that's an OEM condenser, so I'm not gonna put no hurt on that. Why are we going to 280, 90, 300? Fan's not on, or is it on low? Okay, that's high, definitely. So I'm watching the fans. Yeah, the fans turn 100% off. So there's no low operating. It's just high. So I wonder if there's a sensor somewhere. I think it would stop it because, okay, we have the high-low right here. That's hot as hell. So we got an oddball, but it's front-end collision work. And I believe, let's see, the ambient air temperature sensor on this one, well, there's no side mirror, so it's definitely not that car. And I don't know, oh, well, here we go. Ambient air temperature sensor. And I think if that was disconnected, the AC wouldn't stop. It would not work. So, yeah, that's a mystery. 790 grams. And don't know what's up with this one. That one got me scooped. They got a lot of put together to get on this. I'm just taking readings and that's it. Nothing more I can do.